So now we have our raster image showing the areas in purple which are above 914 meters, and in dark gray all the areas that are below that. We can make the whole layer semi-transparent with the effects menu, which you get by right clicking here, choosing effects, and then picking the layer with your reclass, and then here there's a transparency slider, which you can do that, but it makes all the dark gray parts make everything rather dark, so it's pretty better not to use this, and instead we can go to the symbology of the layer, and there we can just adjust the color of, or we can make only this gray part here transparent. So we go to symbology, and then we can see the dark gray part for everything under 914, and the purple for everything higher than 914 meters. So if we take this and we double click on it, and then the easiest thing is just to assign it no color, and we click OK, and there we go. And now everything, the layer has been made transparent everywhere except for the purple parts, so the parts higher than 914. So we can clearly see lots of parts of this hill here higher than 914 meters here, and we can find, if we can zoom into Loch Lomond, and then we can probably find, then that must be Ben Lomond. Yeah, that must be Ben Lomond there.